On the bench today we got a Roger Mayer Voodoo 1 distortion pedal. The owner didn't even say what was wrong with it. I think we'll open it up before we plug it into anything. It's quite easy to get into. Just these 4 screws on the back. And there we can see there's a few wires and one main PCB. I can see that there's some pads here that are not soldered, but they look like they're just the tops of the potentiometers, not actually doing anything. I don't know if you can see there on all 3 of them, they're not soldered to the pads. It doesn't look like the pads are going anywhere, but I don't think that's what the problem is. We just have to make sure there's no wires broken. Everything looks okay. I guess the first thing we do is just make sure the switch is working. Yeah, that side's working. And in bypass mode, we should get a signal from here to there, and from this centre one here. So it looks like the switch is working okay. Let's plug it in and see what actually happens. So I've got my power here, and the light, switch is on at 9 volts. We're measuring 4 milliamps, so there's no shorts. Oh, and it does actually light up the switch. Good start. And I'll just get my connection to my amplifier. And I've only got this short patch cable, so I'm going to have to just rest the guitar here in my chair. That should be enough to get an idea of what's going on. Okay, we're in bypass, and when we engage it, there seems to be no drive. Goes into self-oscillation. Sounds pretty cool, but that input doesn't sound right at all. The tone seems to work okay. It just generally sounds very weak. We'll just check another output. Yeah, no difference. Let's take the PCB out, see what it looks like. I've taken the 3 nuts off the 3 pots and pulled the PCB out, and instantly I can see another connection that's not been soldered. This time it does go to the resistor, so it is definitely part of the circuit. Let's get the microscope out. And if we just have a hunt, there it is. Look at that. It's should be going to that through that trace. It's not connected at all. I'll be very surprised if this doesn't fix it. Look at that. There's actually no connection there whatsoever. Okay, let's give it a solder. I've no idea of the history of this pedal, but I guess it's never worked. And there we go. We've soldered it. Yeah, that sounds great. Really nice pedal. Let's put it back together. Yeah, I think that all works great. All the outputs work. Really nice distortion pedal. Love it. Let's check this output. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, catch you next time.